Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about computing engine, Google Cloud Computing Engine. So let's get started. So I just log in to my Google Cloud console and here it is. Okay, just click on I agree and continue. So let's do the step by step. So what is computing engine? Engine is just a VM, a virtual machine in a Google Cloud platform. So what we can do compute cloud, right? What you can do with it? We'll click on here. Okay, so already there. Now go to compute engine and go to VM instance. Then click on create instance. Here you can rename your VM name. So like here I putting my VM -1. Now you can change your region or zone. Go down. Here you can change your instance or machine type. Like I am using right now 2 core CPU and 4 GB RAM. Okay, now here you can see this is service account, so let it like that, and you can just change the boot disk. Click change, and it's already using Debian GNU version, so just click on save, or you can change anything like Debian Linux 11 9. Okay, and here you can change the operating system like Fedora, Red Hat, anything you want, SUSE, Ubuntu, or Windows Server, and CentOS. Okay, so probably all server type OS is available here. So let it like that. Select and allow HTTP traffic. Click on HTTP traffic too. Now hit the create button. Now it's creating a virtual machine on Google Cloud platform. So it's almost done. It's taking few minutes. It's installing the OS into the VM, so that's why it's taking time. So it's done. My VM, its status is up, it's running. So now everything the VM it's up and running. So let's do something with it. Click on this active cloud cell. Continue. So it will create a terminal, a global terminal. Okay, so we can run some command here and it will change, or you can edit anything in this Google Cloud platform. It's like a backend of Google Cloud platform. Like this is the UI, right? Here you can create and delete instances, or you can do whatever the how many services. I don't know how many services is Google Cloud platform has, but you can do each and everything from this backend. So this is like a backend and this is like a front end. Okay, so let's type gcloud compute zone list and pipe, and now type grep space us central. So this is my zone name 1. Hit the enter. Oops, maybe I typed something wrong. Okay, I it will be Jones, not John only, and hit the enter. It should work right now. Okay, authorize. Okay, so there is an error. So the error is I need to set the project value. So copy this command and paste it. Oh, sorry. Copy command C, command V, and my project value is. So this is my project value. Hit the enter. Sorry, again spelling mistake. Sorry about that. This should be project. Enter. Okay, now you can see the yellow mark words. So this is the project ID number. Now run this previous command. So this is the previous command. Now hit enter. So nothing happened here, but error is gone, right? Because this VM it's not running under this project ID. Okay, if I create another one, let's create another VM. Oops, sorry, here create instance. Okay, my VM2 central 1. No, issue zone is central 1A. Okay, okay, so maybe it should be like central 1 minus A. Let's see what happened. Okay, so it's showing some like how many zone are available, like central C A F V. Right now you can see the region is US Central 1 and zone is US Central 1A. So if I do list, you can see all the zone names, right? So this thing is working. That's fine. Now let's do something else. So as you can see, this is the backend of GCP or the gcloud platform, right? So let's do something more. So now type gcloud config set compute slash zone US Central B. Okay, so as I show you that how you can use a VM from the GUI or the console graphical interface. Now I will create the VM or the compute engine from a backend that's using command lines. So this is the ultimate command. So you can find this command under the video description. I will put it over there. So as you can see in this command, it's showing gcloud compute instance create a VM2, like I'm going to do here. but now I'm creating this VM2 from command line, right? And machine type is N1 standard. So this is the machine type. The machine type is this is the machine type. And Debian cloud. So image is, so it will install the Debian and image family from Debian 10. So it will install the Debian 10. Okay, so now hit the enter. So it's creating, maybe, yeah, it will take a few minutes. So as you can see, it's created, right? So let's find out. Go back. See, VM1 I created from the GUI and VM2 I just created from the command line interface. See, both are running, right? Okay, so let's do something more again. So how do you check that this VM1 are running or not? So if you are using multiple zone or multiple region, you cannot go backward or forward to check the instance is running or not. So you can check from the here. Okay, so let's get started. So gcloud, sorry, gcloud, gcloud. So I need to ping the server to check it's running or not, right? So let's type ping, and so here you can see I will go ping this instance, right? So my VM minus 1, sorry, 1 space, not paste, with it us. Oh, you can copy from here, copy it and paste it and hit enter. Oh, ping command is not found. Okay, so I cannot ping from here, but I can ping from any instances maybe. Let's see. So I'm going to open this VM machine SSH. Okay, so open a new browser, pop up over there. So this is VM2 server. I'm going to log in the VM2 server. Okay, so this is the VM2 CLI console and command line interface. Okay, so just type the copy the command from here. C. Yes, now pinging. Oh, it's pinging, right? So you can ping any VM from any VM. Yeah, that means you can ping any compute engine from any Google Cloud computer engine. So that's it, I think. So Control C. So, the next thing is not just ping, you can also SSH your server from here. Just type SSH and enter, type yes. You don't need any password or anything else, just you just logged in the VM1. Okay, just like that. You don't need to go forward and backward, just from where you are right now. Okay, so I'm now going to exit from VM1. Now I am in VM2. Okay, so I think that's it. Now you can do pretty much anything, like if you want to install any services like sudo apt get update -y. See, it's working like just a normal Debian machine. Also you can install any packages like that Apache 2 maybe, oh no, sorry, install. Yes, it's working fine. Now you can host your website from here. So now, yeah, the second thing is how you get the external IP address, right? So go to VM. You can just click any VM. If you want to see VM1, just click on this. You can see all the VM details. See, it's public DNSPTR none. HTTP traffic is on. HTTPS traffic also on. Now here's the external IP. Okay, you can copy it, paste it. You can check from here. With it's not working because I just installed the Apache 2 in a VM2. So just okay. So let's see it's enabled or not. Sudo systemctl start Apache 2. It started. Now go to VM2 IP and let's see. Hmm, let's say VM2 it's working or not. So this is VM2. So this is VM2 external IP. Copy, paste. I think it's working. No. So I'm going to log in VM1 sudo apt install Apache 2 -y. So let's see. This is, oh, see, it's working. So this is how you can use compute engine from GCP. So that's it, guys. So if you want to know more about GCP, just subscribe my channel. You will get more information about GCP. Thanks for watching. Bye.